Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix football TV app not opening. If you are facing not opening problem of football TV, this video is for you. So please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, long press on football TV app and then tap on app info option. After that, tap on storage usage option and clear the cache as well as the data. Now okay. After that, the next step is go to Google Play Store if you are using Android and App Store if you are using iPhone or iPad, and here tap on search option, and after that tap here and search for football TV, and now tap here. Now our app is here, so tap on here, and here if you see update the option, update this app, so this will fix the issue. I hope you will like this video. Thanks, goodbye.